Time is it? 6:50. Perfect. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's Kyle from WindyCityDentRepair. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's our first stop of the day, one of our local body shops that we service. We have a Toyota Sienna in there with damage to the rear tailgate. Dave's in there right now working on it. Let's go take a look. That was our first stop. We're on to our second stop. See you guys when we get there.
Went to our first stop this morning. Got there about 7 a.m. It was damage on a deck lid, trunk lid, whatever you want to call it. And our 9 a.m. actually wasn't dropped off yet. So we called the shop, asked if the customer had dropped their vehicle off yet. They said no, not yet, but they were going to call them, leave a voicemail. They sent an email. So what we decided to do was call our 10 o'clock and say, hey, we're running a little bit early. Are you home? Can we get there? Or can we be there now? Do we have access to the vehicle? And they said yes. The car's going to get dropped off. See if you can make some moves within your schedule to go ahead and keep making money. So right now we're going to be actually going to our 10 o'clock, which is a BMW X1 with some dents just all around the vehicle. We'll take a look when we get there, and then if the other car gets dropped off later, then we will then head there. If they don't drop it off today, then it is what it is. We have other stuff to do, so we'll see. So, since Kyle is still in training, what I have decided to do is utilize him still. I'm utilizing him for filming, R&I, loading and unpacking, estimating, invoicing, all these other things besides actually pushing dents when he's out on the road with me. It just makes it a lot easier. Makes the workflow a lot faster. Certain tasks that I would have to do myself, I now can utilize him. First stop, second stop. Second stop of the day. Second stop of the day is a retail. I think Kyle mentioned that earlier. But yeah, we're finishing up now. He's just putting everything back together. And yeah, after that we'll be going down to Chicago, which is our 9 a.m. that we had rescheduled. They ended up dropping off at like 9:30. So it ended up working out perfect. We're finishing up here. It's 10 o'clock. Once we're done, we will show the customer. Everything will be great. Head to the city, and then after that I think we have 2 or 3 more, so stay tuned.
Why don't I just get out and take a video of it?
2017 Porsche 911, right quarter panel, small dent on the body line.
Yeah.
You can see it on our Instagram, WindyCityDentRepair. Yeah, so we had to pass. Check it out.
Hey guys, it's Kyle again. Quick update. We're at our 4th shop, local body shop we service. Working on a white Range Rover. He's working on it right now. It's about noon. See what we're gonna do after this. Maybe grab some food, but Let's go take a look at how she looks.
I'll drop some pounds. Stay tuned. That was rough.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was.
That was rough. Yeah. So, we go to the body shop. They said they have 2 cars for us.
What stop was this?
This was one of our body shops. This was stop
Stop number 4.
4. Stop number 4.
Keeping you on your toes.
I know. I know. This is why you gotta have someone riding around with you. It keeps you on your toes. Handling it all is very, very tough, and it has been nice having Kyle with me. He helps me remember a lot of things that
slip your mind.
You know, just on the day-to-day as you're packing up tools, trying to get an invoice signed, trying to figure out what cars, trying to get keys, all this other stuff.
The process of owning your own company.
Yeah, he's definitely been a huge help. But so we went to our body shop. They said they had 2 cars for us. One was a Range Rover with a dent on the body line, and then a Porsche Cayenne with some minor damage all around the car. But then they also had their shop truck with 2 large dents in each side of the bedside, which was pretty much a curveball thrown at us for the day. So that extended our day by about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So it's now 2:30, 2:40, almost 3 o'clock. We have one more stop, I think. Yes, one more stop with 2 more cars. So yeah, it should be fun.
Hey guys, Kyle again, here at our last body shop for the day, number 5. Dave's in there right now, so how about we get out of here and go take a look.
What's up, guys? So it's now 6 o'clock here. I now have to upload all the footage. Actually, it was a crazy kind of afternoon. We went to one more body shop. We thought we had 2 cars. There was actually another car there as well. So we had a total of 3 cars to do, which kind of held us up or kind of, messed with our time. But just got home, 6 o'clock. Kyle just left, and now I have to upload all the footage from today, and which will run right into my live YouTube show that I do with 2 other business owners who are also close friends. We do a live YouTube show about paintless dent repair, answering questions, marketing advice, business advice, anything we can give, and we just want to give, to anyone who wants to watch. And we like to share ideas and we have fun with it, so that'll run into that, and then after that I have to then go through all the footage from today, upload it, edit it, and do all that good stuff. So I'm going to try to keep doing these at least once a day, once every 2 days. We'll see though, so stay tuned. There's going to be more. Kyle's going to be more involved. It's actually pretty crazy. We got some stuff in the works, so it's going to be fun. It's going to be a pretty fun journey these next couple months, the summer going into fall. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm going to have a lot coming up. Yeah, see ya.